Hi friends, welcome to Bird World. Our first bird is parrot. Parrots love to talk, and some can even copy what you say. You know what sound a parrot makes? That's right, they squawk and sometimes say funny words too. Pigeon. You'll see pigeons in cities while flying all around. They make this sound. Coo coo. Peacock. Peacocks love to show off their colorful feathers. Their sound is honk honk. A little sparrow. Sparrows are small and love to sing. They live in gardens and can make nests anywhere. Woo, do we have here? It's an owl. Owls make the sound hoot hoot. They can turn their heads almost all the way around to see behind them. A crow. They make a loud caw. Did you know crows are very smart and can even solve puzzles? A flamingo. They make a honk sound. Flamingos are pink because they eat a lot of shrimp. A duck. They say quack quack. Ducks have webbed feet that help them swim really fast. Look, a penguin? They make a honk sound. Penguins may not fly, but they sure are great swimmers. An eagle. They screech kia. Eagles have super sharp vision to spot their food from far away. A swan. They make a soft hiss sound. Swans are known for their long necks and graceful swimming. A toucan. They make a croak sound. Toucans have giant beaks, which help them eat all kinds of yummy fruit. A woodpecker. They make a tap sound as they peck at trees to find bugs to eat. This is a robin. They chirp cheerily. Robins are known for their bright red bellies. Wow, a hummingbird. They hum buzz as their wings flap super fast. So fast you can barely see them. Here's a seagull. They make a squawk sound. They love to hang out by the ocean. A pelican. They gulp because they catch fish with their big beaks. Here's a dove. They make coo coo sound. Doves are symbols of peace and are often seen in peaceful places. This is an ostrich. They make a booming sound. They are the fastest running birds, even though they can't fly. Here's a turkey. They say gobble, gobble. Turkeys have big fluffy tails that they fan out to show off. A canary. They chirp tweet, tweet. Canaries are known for their bright yellow color and sweet singing. Here's a stork. They make a clattering sound with their beaks. Storks are known for delivering babies and stories. A falcon. They screech. Falcons are super fast and are amazing hunters. Here's a macaw. Yeah, they squawk caw caw. Macaws have big, colorful feathers and are very chatty birds. This is a blue jay. And blue jays are known for their striking blue feathers. A vulture. They make a hiss sound. Vultures help clean up by eating things no other animals want. A hawk. They screech. Hawks are powerful birds with amazing vision. Here is a kingfisher. They make a chirp sound. They love catching fish from rivers and streams. A crane. They make a bugle sound. They have long legs, which are perfect for standing in water. Here's a cockatoo. They say screech. Cockatoos love to show off by fluffing up their feathers. Wow, we met so many awesome birds today. Which one was your favorite? Make sure to come back and meet more animals with us next time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such videos.